So this is day 7 of coding every day. So yesterday I got the response to kind of work. I got really what I was looking for. Um, Basically getting the header and then um, attaching this HTML file to the end of that. And then I was kind of looking through a little bit, and then so it wasn't quite working as expected. Um, I guess I could just go ahead and demonstrate what I mean by that. So I'll just do, I'll make it, I'll start it, and then I'm just gonna open in the browser real quick. Nothing gets displayed. Um, Nothing gets displayed. Let's see. Receive failed. Huh. That's a little different. Try one more time. There you go. Huh. Client connected. Failed. Receive failed success. Look real quick. So, so this failed. That means huh. Okay. Well, whatever. Um, Going here, so my response is going to be, um, this was the response that I was getting, is this header and then this HTML. And then right now, I'll just show with the, um, I won't show with the, blinking, sorry, the, like client, I guess, looks like. Basically, I won't be showing what the Google Chrome looks like for now. But, so basically it's blank right now. And I think actually is because after reading up a bit, I think it was actually a bit wrong. So this old style like carriage return, um, based on what I understand now, is that this is actually there's actually supposed to be the reason this has two is because this is just the end of this line, and this is the end of the headers, right? And so at the end of the header, there's supposed to be a blank line. Um, so I think I need to do this. And I think I need to change this to 20. Change this to 20 as well. And then here, I don't think I really need to add it to the end right there. Um, this might be what works. Let's find out. So it's this. I'm just gonna open up Chrome real quick so you guys can see. And then boom. Okay, perfect. So this is exactly what I was trying to get. So now I have it sending that HTML. So yeah, that's exactly what was wrong. Um, I was a bit wrong and I put this carriage return um, after where the body would be. So I had this body be part of the header, so it wasn't actually like accepted as information, I guess. And then since I got that working, what I think I'll try to do now is kind of just get it to be a continuous loop with the server, so it's basically always on. Um, I guess if that makes sense. So instead of having to turn it on, connect, and then it automatically shuts down, um, what I think I'll do is I'll have it basically as an infinite loop, if that makes sense. Um, yeah, so it should stay on, I guess. If that makes sense. So basically, like instead of having to run, make, run, go open it, see if it works, I could just kind of keep it going. So I think to do that, I need to put this all right here into a loop, I believe. I believe so. After the accept, I believe I put it onto just a infinite loop. So I'll just do while true, get rid of this, and then oops, there you go. Um, do this, I believe, maybe. Um, so it accepts, says it's connected. Uh, well, cause I close the service socket here, maybe instead of returning, I can just do just for now, I guess. Um, and then here after this fails as well, just break out. Okay, maybe this will work. Let's see. Let's run it, and then let's see. So I'm gonna open the Chrome. It says it's loading. I believe this is because I go to the network. Uh, yep, it's this. I believe I can go here. So let's see. So after this sends, I believe it just kind of needs to, because it's constantly reloading now, or it's constantly like in a loading state. So like if I stop loading, do it again, I'll get the same thing. But let me try like slash taco, I guess. Slash taco. So this is one thing too. So if I go, I'm gonna minimize Chrome for now. But if I go to this, the terminal real quick. So my this shows my what's it called? I'm blanking. This shows the request. So what I think I'll try to do now is to actually um get this part of the request, the URL, or I don't remember the exact name of what it's called, but basically it's gonna be like the URL or like the certain file it's looking for. So like an example would be like slash index.html or whatever. But what I think I'll try to do is that right now, if if the part of the request, I'm gonna delete this for now. So let's see. So if this request, I'll ignore this for now. but in this request, if it's anything but the root, so if it's um like the slash taco or slash whatever, if it's anything but just this slash, this forward slash, I think I might just have it echo back what that is. Um, if that makes sense. So like if it's taco, the text will be taco, or if it's um if the I don't know, if it's slash hello world, it'll return hello world. So to get that for now, what I think I'll do is I'm definitely gonna be working on this parser function is the biggest thing. So okay, let's think. So this is more like a valid thing. Um, buffer. So the changes buffer. Trying to think of how I can go about this. So, huh. All I really need is all I really need is gonna be this first line. I'm gonna close this for now. But all I really need is gonna be I got a little confusing, but all I really need is this first line. And so from what I believe, after this first line should be a carriage return. So maybe let me try something. Um, inside this parser, let's do output. I'll output the buffer. But before I output the buffer, I'll just do um, parsing this. Okay, I think I'll do that. Where it's parsing this certain thing. Okay, and then after that, I believe I saved it. Let me just make sure real quick. Oops, make sure test, and then I'll come over here. Okay, so I got this working. So parsing, yep. So it parses the whole thing. Okay. Okay, so working with, I'm gonna close this real quick. So working with C string gets um up to end of line characters and discards the end of line characters. This is probably not the best way to do it. But let me try here. If I do gets around the buffer. Oh, um, identifier gets is undefined. Is it because? Yes, I thought. Is this maybe not a thing in C++? Um, gets. Okay. Yeah, it's my bad. Line. Okay. Yeah. So I believe this is in C++. So it's gonna get line, line pointer, strict, and then string. Let's see. Reads an entire line from stream, storing the address of the buffer containing the text into line pointer. The buffer is null terminated and includes the new line character if one was found. It should be set to null before the call, then getLine will allocate a buffer for storing the line. This buffer should be freed by the user project. Even if getLine fails, can contain a pointer to a malloc allocated buffer. Okay, let's see. So so once again, so it's gonna be buffer and then the stream they get it from, I believe. Um, okay, I think so. Okay, wait. Line. Okay. So it's input stream and then buffer to store into character marking end of line. Okay. Um, wow. I don't know. Let me just call this top line for now. This is all this is all for testing, by the way. Um, okay. And then buffer to store into. See if this works. Probably doesn't work. Um, and then delimiter. I'll just do I'll do the just what does it say? Matches this argument list. Argument types char. maybe I think this is because it's trying to work with the C++ strings instead of character. Uh, I believe because it needs the standard strings rather than the um strings or character arrays. So uh, maybe I'll try something else. Let me do. There you go. Okay, this, and then it goes. So then I want the buffer, so this will be top line, and then I'll just do. Um, I'll just do. Let me just call it. I don't think this is gonna get what I want. Maybe I'll just do 32. No, 64. Let's do 64 is the max, and then the input is gonna be buffer. File pointer. Ah, I feel like I'm doing this super wrong. What if I just do? Let me think. Okay, well, let me just do. Just get rid of all. Actually, it's just stop two lines. Um, let's see. Okay. Instead of a space, what I think I'll do is kind of change this around a bit. Okay, so instead of this, let me do. Okay, this is definitely there's definitely a better way to do this, but I'm just gonna do or R, I guess. Yep. So while this doesn't equal 0, char is incompatible with const char pointer. Argument of type char is incompatible. Oh, I see, I see, I see. Yeah, because I'm not really comparing string. I'm just comparing characters. Wow. Let me just do. My brain really isn't working today. Get rid of. Oops. Get rid of one of these. While doesn't equal backslash r I plus plus, and then if it does, yep. And then what I think I'll do, I'll just call this method validation. Method validation. It's gonna be a character pointer. Um, I don't really want to change it. um, character pointer, and I'll call this method. And then basically just gonna be going up here real quick. Let me just do method validation. That's gonna be a I'm gonna call this method. Okay. And I come down here, I have this, and then I'm basically just gonna copy this. I'm just gonna copy this. Um, it's not, it's method. It's not really method, this is more like, it says method, but this is more of the top line. Oh, it's, yeah, that's right. I'm not doing that like that. Because it's constant. I don't want to change it. Ah, I see, I see. So I had to compare substrings, basically. So I want to compare a substring with the string. Okay. So I think what I could do isn't, well, okay, never mind then. Actually, I don't even need this method then. Well, because I think I could just do string number compare. I'll do buffer with get, and I just want to compare the first three characters. So I don't even need this. Come up here. Don't need that. Because then I compare a maximum of three characters. Yep. So I compare three characters in buffer. So I'll compare the first two characters and make sure they get. If not, I'll return 0. Let's see if this is working how I think it might be working. Okay. Run. I'm just gonna open this real quick. Okay. I'm not even sure I should be looking at the issue. Leave this. I'm just gonna make this a little bit more obvious. I'm gonna call this top line like this. Yeah, there you go. Let me try this one more time. So the top line, just to see this, just save this, make cool. I really need to figure out what makes this bind fail. That'll definitely take some more reading. Let's see. Come up here. Should be working. I really am not sure. Just try. Maybe I need to close Google Chrome completely. Okay. I'm just gonna open this up real quick. It didn't check. 127.1 and 8080. Okay, got the file I'm looking for. But top line. Okay, perfect. So I got what I was looking for. So what I think, okay. Oops, excuse me. Okay, I got what I was looking Next, I just need to get this from here. Okay. Uh, okay. I think I could do something like how I did before. This string copy. Just real quick. Let me come down to where it says top line, and I'm gonna do. This is probably a terrible idea, but string copy, and then I'll do string number copy, like a maximum number, and then I'll do buffer, and then I'll do because it's technically a pointer, I believe. So +5, and then I want to copy a maximum of. Oh no, this is not gonna work. Huh. I think this will have to be something I'll have to pick up tomorrow. But today I was able to get the top line separated out. I would do more research on actually really parsing. Um, the string compare still works how intended, I believe. I'll probably add some error checking in there tomorrow. Um, I got it into this infinite loop. It is infinitely loading the page though, so I might need to fix this up a little bit. Get it to actually like get that page, I guess, or like receive it in a way. Not 100% sure, but probably be it today. Tomorrow I'll probably try to work on parsing out that I forgot the term, but I'm just gonna call it URL or a file. I'm gonna try to really get this out of this top line, and then if it's anything but this roots, so if it's anything but this forward slash, I'm probably gonna try to echo it onto the page. So like if it's 127.0.0.1 8080 slash taco, it should display the text taco. Um, but that'll be it for today.